Guys, welcome to Redeemly, the futuristic AI technology that lets you sell smart, cardless loyalty programs that boost sales and profits to local businesses for monthly fees. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor for you to follow only 5 really short steps, which takes you just a minute to apply. Sounds good? Well, let's do this. Step 1. Create a business. On Redeemly, you can create profiles for businesses that you want to link to a loyalty program. To start creating a business, you just need to click here first, then here. Now you're going to fill in the details of your new business, including the business's industry, name of business, logo image, and contact details, as well as any other additional detail you wish to add, including links to social media and other links. Well, that's all about step 1, guys. Step 2, create a staff member. You'll be prompted to add a staff member after creating a business. So click here to add a staff member so you can continue to the next step. Creating staff is easy too, because you just have to select the business you'll be adding staff to and to enter the staff's details. Well, we're done with step 2. It was easy too, right? Step 3, create a reward. Next, you are going to create a reward that'll be linked to the business you just created so they can offer that in their cardless loyalty program. You just click here and then here to get started. Much like when creating a business, Redeemly makes it easy to create rewards simply by adding some details here. These details include the reward title, the number of loyalty points this reward costs, the dollar value of the reward, the date range when the reward will be active, the reward description, and images. You can create as many more rewards as you want simply by clicking here. We're done with step 3, so let's move on. Step 4, create a loyalty campaign. Now comes the fun part, guys, creating a cardless loyalty program. Start by clicking here. Then here to enter the campaign details. First, you're going to select the business running this campaign. In this case, I have to select the business I created at the beginning of this video. Now enter a name for the campaign, and then the number of loyalty points a customer receives by signing up to the loyalty program. You can even add your own custom domains for the loyalty program site. Next, you're going to select the rewards you'll add to the campaign. Then you're going to configure the different ways customers can earn loyalty points and redeem their rewards. And finally, you can customize the appearance of your loyalty program site. Here, you can customize every section and page in your rewards program site, as well as the site's colors so it matches the business's branding. You just have to click here to publish your loyalty program site once you are done adding all your details, and then your cardless rewards program is live. Step 5, onboard your first customer. You can click on the campaign's URL to visit the program site, where customers will be able to sign up, earn points, and redeem rewards, and this will be the URL you will be sharing to onboard your first and as many customers as you want, all with just minutes of easy work. Guys, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Let me show you a couple more things you'll find inside Redeemly, including the ability to add and manage customers after they sign up to a loyalty program, and a detailed analytics dashboard to see your earnings when customers redeem points, and your spending when customers redeem rewards. Lots more awesome stuff inside Redeemly, but I can't show them all in this video. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to sell AI cardless loyalty programs that generates recurring income, then try Redeemly today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.
The pandemic has hurt a lot of businesses over the last couple of years, but did you know that more millionaires are made in recessions than at any other time? If you could help struggling businesses get customers to spend money, you could write your own paycheck and create a life-changing income for yourself in 2022 and beyond. Unfortunately, traditional marketing methods just aren't as effective as they used to be. Businesses have tried just about everything, and they are still struggling, with many of them closing their doors because they just can't seem to keep their heads above water. And that's because most marketing services that marketers offer to local businesses take a long time to kick in and start working. They are focused on going after new customers only, or the results are hard to measure, so businesses are hesitant or even drop out too quickly to see results. But did you know that helping businesses sell more to existing customers is far more effective and profitable than helping them find new customers? One of the best ways to do this is with a loyalty program. Smaller businesses see the big companies like Macy's, American Airlines, Red Robin, and Hilton using loyalty programs with a lot of success, and they want in on it too. Unfortunately, until now, creating a loyalty program was too time-consuming, complicated, and expensive for small and medium-sized businesses. But that all changes today. We've perfected a powerful method that uses a simple, web-based app to help businesses maximize profits from their existing customer base using cardless loyalty programs. And today, you have the opportunity to get your hands on everything that we are doing so you too can help businesses in need and get paid recurring monthly payments in the process. Introducing Redeemly. Redeemly leverages advanced AI technology to create cardless loyalty programs for businesses to reactivate dormant customers and increase sales to existing customers automatically. All it takes is 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to create a smart mobile loyalty program for clients and get paid recurring fees. Step 2, clients can activate up to 4 ways for customers to earn points on their loyalty platform. Step 3, AI technology rewards customers automatically. Points can be redeemed for rewards. When a customer has earned enough points, they get a reward, and they will also see the progress of their points. This is something brand new that you've never seen before, and it's an incredibly effective way to help struggling businesses increase their profits fast. With the Redeemly app, you don't need any technical experience to set up a new cardless loyalty program. The app is extremely easy to use. It's hosted in the cloud so that you could use it from any device or computer with an internet connection. And we're including done-for-you loyalty websites and everything else you need to become the rainmaker for businesses that desperately need your help. Plus, you don't need any prior experience at all working with businesses because this service sells itself. We'll show you our proven method for landing paying clients right away, even if you have no sales experience and you're a total introvert. Redeemly is the perfect way to create a monthly recurring income stream in 2022 and beyond. This is much easier than affiliate marketing. There's no waiting around, and you can get paid as soon as today. You don't need an email list. You don't have to build websites or do complicated tasks like SEO. You don't have to buy ads or pay for traffic. You don't have to make cold calls. This is simple. The app does most of the work for you, and businesses love this because you can show them proof that the app is getting them repeat customers and making them money. Once you get things activated, the money just, keeps on flowing with just a few minutes per day. This is the perfect way to create a life-changing monthly recurring income without a lot of time or effort required. In addition to the Redeemly app and the Done-For-You loyalty program websites, you also get access to Redeemly step-by-step video training that shows you exactly how to get up and running with Redeemly quickly and easily. We will reveal the best way to start landing paying clients right away, and we'll take you by the hand and show you the fastest way to scale things up to a life-changing income in your spare time. Plus, when you get Redeemly now, it comes standard with an agency license that allows you to create cardless loyalty programs for businesses, charge anything you want, and keep 100% of the profit for yourself. Now, of course, the very best part about getting Redeemly today is the special discounted price. Very soon, we plan to charge $97 per month for Redeemly. At that price, Redeemly is a no-brainer when you consider how easy it is to create cardless loyalty programs that get results for businesses. And even at $97 per month, all it would take is one paying client to cover your costs and be in the profit. But the good news is, during this initial launch period, we have waived the monthly fee and reduced the price to make Redeemly affordable for anyone. But please don't wait. The price on Redeemly is going up fast, and if you close this page and come back later to get this, you run the risk of paying a whole lot more or missing out on this opportunity completely. Although the highly discounted price should make this really easy for you, we're also including some exclusive free bonuses when you get this today. And of course, you get a full 30 days to test drive Redeemly and make sure this is for you. So if you change your mind for any reason at all, just let us know and we'll send you a refund. Now, if you want to make 2022 your very best year ever, and you like the idea of getting paid to help businesses make more money and overcome the effects of the pandemic, then you need to get your hands on Redeemly right now. Everything you need to create a life-changing monthly recurring income is included inside. And when you click the button below right now, you'll lock in a huge discount and claim exclusive bonuses that will help you make even more money.